mau
minum.
saya
Mau
mau
minum.
minum.
Inggris, saya lapar. Saya
Saya
lapar.
lapar.
Aha.
Saya lapar.
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 Yun.
Halo semua, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini saya dan teman saya.
Juliana from Russia.
Nah, mau ngomong, kalau pengen kenalin lebih Juliana harus nonton ya. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini, jangan lupa subscribe dan loncengnya juga ya.
Patina Bullets Adventure.
Oke Juliana, so how are you?
I'm very fine. How are you?
Amazing. Jadi Juliana hari ini kabar baik. So, how long you've been in Indonesia already?
In Jakarta, in Indonesia, already almost 3 months.
Jadi sebentar lagi dia udah 3 bulan di Jakarta. And how you like Indonesia or Jakarta so far?
Actually, I like it so much. I like city. I like people here so much because they're so kind, so
Oke,
friendly.
jadi dia bilang dia suka banget di sini, walaupun cuman sebentar ya di sini, sebentar lagi 3 bulan, tapi dia yang paling suka adalah kota Jakarta dan juga orangnya yang sangat ramah. Everybody say this about the Indonesian people, very friendly ya,
Yeah, so
very
much.
kind. Ya, jadi seperti semua bule yang jadi di Jakarta, yang saya kenal di Jakarta, semua bilang orangnya luar biasa baiknya. And that's nice ya. And you've been in other cities also beside Jakarta?
I've been in Bandung a couple times for jobs, but actually Jakarta.
Oke,
mostly.
jadi dia tinggal di Jakarta, cuman pernah ke Bandung beberapa kali, soalnya ada kerjaan di sana. So, how long are you planning to stay? You're actually stuck in Indonesia, ya?
Yeah, right. I'm stuck in Indonesia now. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay here, but now planning to stay here much longer than I think before.
Oke, jadi soalnya lagi coronavirus ini, Juliana belum bisa balik pulang. Sebenarnya dia dari kemarin mau balik, cuman nggak boleh soalnya Rusia tutup sampai bulan Agustus. Jadi dia stuck di sini, tapi thanks God juga ya dia suka di sini dan sekarang mau stay longer. Amazing. So Jakarta is amazing ya? The
Yeah,
people.
I like so much. I like so much.
What do you like the best here?
Best here? I like jobs here. I like these vibes from people because they make you to love your job, to like everything what you're doing. It's really amazing.
That is very nice. Jadi aku tanya apa yang dia paling suka di Indonesia, terus dia bilang dia paling suka di sini kerja, soalnya orangnya seramai itu, jadi kita suka banget kerja, jadi semangat banget kalau lagi kerja, dan we love our job. Same for me, I love my job so much, and it's also so important because of the people, right?
Yeah.
The people matter so much in here. Ya, jadi penting banget itu kalau lagi kerja ada orang yang baik dan tim keren. Okay, have you tried Indonesian food so far?
I tried, for sure I tried. It's very delicious, but for me it's spicy so much, and sometimes I'm trying it. It's like it makes me cry, but I still like it.
But you still like it?
Yeah, I can't stop to eat it, but I'm crying because it's so much
It's so-
spicy.
Oke. Jadi aku tanya tadi Julia kalau udah pernah coba makanan Indonesia, dia bilang iya, makanannya sangat enak, cuman terlalu pedas. Walaupun pedas gitu, dia tetap makan walaupun air matanya udah keluar dari pedas. Amazing. For me, I just started eating spicy actually. I couldn't eat for so long. Just now I'm learning how to eat spicy. Like, it's a whole tactic, you know? Like, you cannot eat it from start. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Like,
But when you begin, you can't stop.
Exactly, very true. Jadi dia bilang pas udah mau mulai makan pedas, nggak bisa berhenti lagi makan pedas. Soalnya aku merasa juga sama. Kalau lagi makan dan nggak ada cabenya atau sambelnya sekarang kayak ada yang kurang gitu kalau makanan Indonesia ya. Jadi udah deh, jadi lebih orang Indonesia dari sebelumnya. I see the same because like it's something missing ya from the food. especially for the Indonesian food, if it's not spicy for me now, also like it's something missing, you know, like I need something to hurt me. Yeah. Did you learn any word in bahasa so far? Halo semua, apa kabar?
Yes.
Only that?
Only that.
Oke, jadi dia sampai sekarang cuman belajar bahasa Indonesianya. Halo semua, apa kabar? Buat tadi opening kita, ingat enggak? So that's it. You wanna learn more?
Yes, for sure.
Oke, jadi Juliana mau belajar bahasa Indonesia lagi. Jadi saya mau coba ajarin dia dikit-dikit. What do you want to know?
Some basic things like, for example, what are you doing? How to
Apa
say
kabar?
Apa kabar?
Or if you want like what are you doing? Lagi apa?
Lagi apa?
Lagi
Lagi
apa? Lagi ngapain?
How to say you look so beautiful?
Kamu cantik. If you say for girl it's cantik.
Cantik.
For boy it's ganteng.
Ganteng.
Ya kan tuh itu susah ada. Gitu. And you know what's very weird? How they say tea? I cannot say. They say teh.
Teh?
Not teh. I say the same teh. They say teh. It's T-E-H. Teh. Teh. That's very hard. Sampai sekarang aku belum bisa juga bilang teh. Bayu selalu ketawa. Bayu always laughing about me when I'm trying to say teh. Very funny. Oh, something very important I want to teach you in bahasa. It's I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. Okay?
Very important.
I'm hungry. It's saya lapar. Saya lapar.
Lapar. Saya lapar.
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 You need to take out your R, your Russian.
Salah.
Saya.
Lapar.
Salah, it's wrong. Salah means wrong. Kamu salah, it means you're wrong. And I wanna drink. Saya mau minum.
Saya manu
mau minum. Okay.
Saya mau minum.
Oke, lumayan ya pertama kali dia belajar, guys. Yeah, you're doing okay for the first time, but I will ask you in 5 minutes, you will not remember anything ya. Pasti kalau tanya lagi 5 menit lagi dia udah lupa semua. What else is very important? Like what else? You will hear so many people saying in Indonesia, semangat. Semangat actually doesn't have translation in English. Usually people translate it as keep spirit. But there is no as such thing as keep spirit in English, you know? But it's like keep going, like you got this, like that. Semangat itu aku bilang soalnya pasti nanti dengar banyak semangat kalau di Indonesia ya. Because people here when they start to be tired or they see you in not a very good mood at work, they will tell you semangat. So you're like keep on going, keep spirit, keep it up. Like that.
A lot of people in English tell me keep spirit, but I never meet it before.
Yeah,
Even in
because
English.
it's something very Indonesian. So they are always saying
got
semangat. Yeah, so it's like keep going, like be strong there, like hold in there. But it's very nice, like they are saying it to people they like. And also something you will hear for sure, juga kata yang dia pasti sering dengar adalah kamu cantik. It means you're beautiful. For sure you will hear this a lot. Ya kan? Okay. What else you wanna know?
What else?
I wanna ask you, how is Russia comparing, or how is Indonesia comparing to Russia? Gimana dia merasa comparing Russia ke Indonesia?
You mean about jobs or about just country?
Country itself, let's say.
Country, it's totally different
Totally
mentality, totally different, and about exactly people. In Russia, people more close, so they will not help you if you are really need. If you only ask, they're gonna help you. But here, if you have some troubles, people gonna tell you. People gonna ask
Help
you.
you,
Do you,
yeah.
do you need help? Do you need something? And it's very, very impressed me so much.
So nice, right?
So much.
Jadi yang paling utama untuk Juli itu bedanya dari Indonesia ke Rusia adalah orangnya. Kalau lagi bingung, nggak tahu, kalau lagi sendiri dan bingung, orangnya pasti mau bantu. Itu yang, dan semua beda budayanya, dan dia lebih suka di sini, ya kan? Tuh, semua boleh lebih suka di Indonesia daripada di Eropa. Everybody likes it better here than in Europe, mostly. So good, yeah, to be here. And I love the weather. It's always cold.
In Russia now it's so cold. It's -2 degrees.
Di Rusia sekarang bulan gini guys, when it should be summer ya,
Yeah, already.
lagi turun salju. Jadi gila means crazy.
Gila.
Now you see, she remembers gila udah bisa banget. Yeah, it's gila. Russia, the weather in Russia ya, Romania too was very very cold. Now okay, so this was all ya for today. I hope so much that after this COVID finish, we can go explore Indonesia together.
Yeah.
Let's go see
For
Indonesia.
sure, yeah.
I say, jadi aku bilang ke Julie, kalau pandemi ini sudah selesai, kita harus adventure bersama. And who knows, we can go to Bali. Let's go to
Bali
Bali.
Islands for
Woo!
sure. I can already pack my
Abis COVID
luggage.
ini aku udah janji sama Tudor loh, kita ke Bali kalau ini COVID-nya udah selesai, jadi kita harus ke Bali ya. Oke, we need to go to Bali. Oke. Dan juga kalau mau follow Instagramnya Julie biar lebih kenal, atau siapa tahu mau DM, langsung ke Instagramnya Julie ya. What's your Instagram, Julie?
Julie Moore, follow me for sure.
Julie Moore, nanti kita akan kasih di bawah ini somewhere, oke? Oke. Jangan lupa follow Julie, dan juga kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen, dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.